Hello everyone, my name is Meridian and welcome to my channel. I post DIY, alt fashion, and cosplay videos with little blips about life and mental health. For today's pink eGirl look, I'm attempting to edit and voice over this video more like a tutorial, as opposed to my last makeup video where it was more about my thought process and challenges when approaching each step. I originally filmed this makeup look prior to my first makeup video, so I hadn't figured out the lighting all that well in this one. Sorry if it's a bit grainy, but I did still want to make a video out of this footage. I'm using the same NYX concealer product for my foundation as the last video, and applying it with a beauty blender. But I am happy to say that for future makeup videos, I did get an actual foundation product, so I'll have an improvement for this step later on. For the contour, I'm using the shade Baguette from Nekoyanin's Bakery palette. Starting with the cheekbone, I'm contouring underneath right up to the bone. It's a bit higher than most would place it. Then I contour underneath the jawline and chin, blending downward towards the neck. With a smaller brush, I go into the nose contour at the sides of my nose bridge, up to under my brow. Then continue at the bottom of the nose tip and sides. I then contour under my mouth at the corners and the center. Then I blend all the contour out with a clean blending brush. I forgot to earlier, so I go back in with a small contour brush and apply the powder across my nose bridge for the button nose look. Then I blend it out just like the rest. For blush, I'm using Silky ribbon from Flower Nose's Swan Ballet collection. I place this on my cheekbone to under the eye area, extending the color all the way to my hairline. I also apply blush to the tip of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I build on the color using NYX's Spanish Rose Baked Blush for shimmer, and a more intense color. I apply it to the same areas as previously with the Flower Nose blush. Going in with Ice Cold from Jeffree Star's Platinum Ice Skin Frost Pro Palette, I highlight my nose bridge heavily. Then, lightly apply towards my forehead, fanning out the product. Next is the tip of my nose, being careful not to apply it on top of the contour that is going across my bridge. Next placement is my cupid's bow and chin. And the last placements are high on my cheeks. I then blend out all the highlight product in all areas. For the eyeshadow look, I will be using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The first shade is Bubblegum. I start by applying it to the outer corner of my lids with a blending brush. I don't mind the placement being too messy, as I tend to like my shadow very bold to accommodate my oversized lashes. Then, taking the shimmer shadow, Cotton Candy, I go in with a packing brush and keep it closer to my lash line in the outer corner of my eyes. The next shade is Good Morning, and I apply it with a blending brush to the inner corners of my eyes. Then I layer Snack Shimmer on top of Good Morning. Taking the blending brush I used for Bubblegum, I go back in and blend the shadows together. After the shadows are complete, I fill in my brows with NYX's Espresso Tinted Brow Mascara. For the eyeliner, I wanted to go for a large bat wing for hooded eyes. I start with NYX's That's the Point in shade Put a Wing on It. I start drawing the wing on my outer corner, extending the end of the wing past the ends of my eyeshadow. This liquid liner pen of mine is a bit dry, so I am having a bit of a hard time with it. Keeping my eyes open, I look forward towards my hand mirror and draw the wing. The key with this wing is to not fill in the overlap of my eyelid with any liner product. Closing my eyes to expose the lid more, I connect only the bottom of the wing towards my lash line. I go back towards the end of the wing to make it larger on the top side. After struggling too much with how dry my large pen was, I switched to my small pen that isn't dry. The main issue with this pen is that it's actually too wet and it leaks a lot, so I have to be careful to dab the felt tip on a tissue occasionally to prevent the liquid from dripping onto my face. I know I need to get new liquid liners to replace my current ones, I just haven't done that yet. I finished enlarging the wing towards my lash line and fill it in, again looking straight at my hand mirror with my eyes open. I close my lids to expose the wing just to clean up the edges of the bat wing. When the liner is done, I go in with my Duo Clear Lash Glue to apply my lashes. Currently, I don't deviate too much from my current lash setup, as I love the length for both the top and the bottom. I may experiment with more lash styles in the future, but for right now, I feel they are a signature to my makeup looks and make me feel very me when I wear them. With a drugstore eyeliner pencil, I line my lips with the black shade. Then, I fill in my lips with Jeffree Star's The Gloss in the shade Midnight Lick. This is how the makeup looks without my wig. To finish my look, I'm putting on my wavy black bob wig. I wanted it to be more voluminous, so I pull out the sides and set it with Got2b hairspray. I accessorize with my pink skeleton hand hair clips and a black choker. And I set my makeup with NYX's Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is my makeup look complete. If you liked this video, let me know by hitting the like button and leaving me a comment with your thoughts. To see what outfits I styled with this makeup look, you can check out the outfit video I posted recently. For the next video, I'm planning to post some cosplay content, starting with my makeup look for Jinx from Arcane. If you'd be interested in that video, be sure to subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye!